mom took us to the store to get us all the supplies. And we also got this slime kit. It's a glitter slime kit. So it comes with 2 little activators. Red and blue. Glitter blue. And so let's get started. So I'm going to choose this glow-in-the-dark.
And I'm going to choose this one. This pink.
So
can I see you guys? Put it close to the... There we go.
So, and we're going to start dumping.
Squeeze.
Ooh.
It's a nice pink.
Mine's a nice blue.
It's hard.
Oh.
My arms hurt.
Oh, finally, big plop. I'm almost done with my glue. Okay, I think mine is good for now.
Sounds like music.
Okay. I think mine's is done, but it won't just come out. So
Mine's
put this
seriously
inside.
done.
My mom's gonna help us measure. So I'm gonna grab
I'm
one
going
of
to
these.
put my glue right down
I'm gonna
there.
grab one of these. Elmer's magical liquid.
Okay. Here, Violet, hold the phone while I do Jordan.
I'll hold the phone.
Okay.
And so this is going to
Just
be.
point it towards Jordan's bowl.
We're gonna use 2 tablespoons
And then you're going to start mixing. So
of
just
Elmer's magical liquid, and then we're gonna start mixing.
2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons. Doesn't want. Can't squeeze any more out.
Mom.
1,
That's 1. That is 1.
2.
Now just get
Start
mixing. I can't wait to see this slime. It's so gooey.
Now point at yours, Violet, and I'll put the Elmer's glue on there for you. I mean the magic
Okay.
solution.
Okay. Now 1 tablespoon,
Mm-hmm.
then 1 more tablespoon.
Okay.
So now we're done. My mom's
Start
gonna hold the
mixing.
phone. Now I'm gonna start mixing. Ooh, looks so cool.
I think mine's almost slime.
Mom, are you gonna sit down?
Mine's almost slime.
Mine too, already.
Okay, so then it said pour 2 more after you mix. So let me pour 2 more.
I think it's almost ready. I can't tell.
Now you hold the phone, Jay, because Violet just started mixing hers. And we're going to put 2 more.
So gooey. Look.
Just point at your bowl. 1, 2.
Now 1 for me.
You should just continue mixing.
Okay, I'm just gonna continue mixing. Mine's turning to slime.
Mine doesn't look like slime.
You gotta keep mixing.
Looks like ooze poop. It's
Ew!
like poop ooze.
So we follow the instructions just like it said on the slime kit. It said pour 2 tablespoons of the magical liquid. Then pour 2 more after you mix it for a little bit.
I'm gonna see that.
This is what it looks after 1. The first,
Oh, mine's almost done.
yeah, just keep mixing. So I think now we're gonna put the second,
Tablespoon for me.
let me see. starting to look like slime.
It's one of the new ones.
Okay, hold this, Jay, while I put the other 2 tablespoons for Riley.
Whoa, mine looks like slime already.
Okay, you can show yours.
Okay.
Whoa.
Mine's nice and
One,
now just one more.
2.
And then we're done. Let's keep mixing.
So we use a whole bottle to do 2. A whole small 2.3 ounces of
This looks like brains.
magical liquid.
Mine's looking like slime.
Mine's already slime.
Says that. So the instruction says once you pour the second one and you mix and it starts looking like slime, you can pick it up with your hand.
Mine kind of looks like slime. It's kind of stretchy. Really
Look at my stretch.
Whoa! Mine looks really good stretch.
Whoa, now it's hard for my hands. You need to hold the bowl.
Whoa.
Ah! It's really beautiful.
I know mine's beautiful too.
Not trying to get outside the bowl. My stretch.
Ay.
Go, Meg. Ay, ay. It looks so
I
stretchy.
think mine's slimy.
You can pick it up now with your hands.
Mom, can I
I
pick
don't
it
know where
up?
to put it. I'm just going to put this on the table.
Mom, can I pick mine up?
No.
Just keep mixing for a little bit more because you
Mine's slime.
started after Jordan.
Mine's slime, I think.
Yeah, you can pick it up and
Mine's sticky. Whoa.
Look at my stretch. Look at my stretch, guys. Nice
Oh,
and
look
pink.
at mine. Mine's all gooey.
So what did you guys do? The glow in the dark one?
Yeah, we got the glow in the dark.
It's nice and pink. If you could see, I got it right down here. I get the glow in the dark. I feel like there's a little more, but I'm not going to pour it in.
Whoa, look at my hands.
Mine's kind of gooey.
Mine's really gooey. Whoa.
Mom, now can I pick mine up?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get that slime down.
Whoa. Okay, my hands are really slimy. I guess I'm going to slime off. Oh, this is not really slimy and sticky. Ah, this is really slimy and sticky.
Oh, my leg. Ow! It's nice and cool. Let me get that. Why is my hand?
Look at my hand already. My
Let me
slime
see.
is nice and sticky. I think when you play with it more, it gets less sticky. I think I heard that
you
in
have
the
to.
video.
That's what it said on the instructions. You, after you mix it in and it looks like slime, then you can pick it up and
Play with it for a little bit and
play
won't
with
get
it with your
sticky.
hands. Yes.
And I watched it from a YouTube video. One time, when I was with my friends and I still had slime, I made the biggest bubble. It might have been like this whole table.
Oh, really?
So, and I hope you subscribe to our video.
We'll be making more slime.
Yep. So,
We're gonna make
so
more.
we'll see you another time, but the video's still not done, so don't worry. Well, almost, I think. Ooh, if you guys find these, there's new, they're at Target. there's a new one. There's two color change ones, but
I
this
think
is the only one.
almost at the back.
So there's
Almost at the back, I think. There's this little boxes where like there's new slime colors.
yeah, there's color change. It goes to purple to blue, or you can go to
Yellow to red, I think.
yellow to red. And they're like
Hey, look at mine.
they're like for $1, I think, in like the little buckets in Target. So
Okay.
if you go ahead and buy one of those, to go ahead.
Yeah, we bought some storage containers to put our slime in. So,
Don't put that on my hand.
I'm trying to get it off the thing. There you go.
Hey, mine's kind of not sticky anymore.
You got it? So I think that's the consistency we want of the slime.
Yeah, but also some of the stickies on my other hand. So I rather on this hand. It's not my writing hand.
Alright, guys. Well, say bye.
So, goodbye. Bye.
Violet's stuck on her slime.